Good morning, ma'am. I am Jeffrey Mamba. I'm ready to report the firefighting operation. Number one is the pre-fire planning. This activity involves developing and defining systematic course of the action that may be performed in order to realize the object of the fire protection involves the process of establishing the SOP in case of fire breaks out. And number two is the evaluation. Evaluation sized up on the spot planning of the sizing of the situation. This is the process knowing the emergency situation. It involves mental evaluation by the operation of in charge to determine the appropriate course of the action that provides the highest probability of success. Evaluation is like for example ma'am na nag-survey sa isa ka company na nag-evaluate nila ang isa ka area kung malikay ba yun sa isa ka sunog or para malikadan ang isa ka sunog kinahanglan i-evaluate tanan mga source ng isa ka mag-cause ng sunog. So there are the four evaluation of the situation. Number one is learn to the fact of the situation by answering the 5 WH and 1 R. And two is understand the probabilities of fatal behavior of fire. Three is know your own situation of capabilities, weaknesses, and strength, available manpower and equipment. Four is to determine the specific course of action, entry, or rescue. Let's go to the number 3. The evacuation. Evacuation, this is the activity of transferring people, livestock, and property away from the burning area to minimize damage of or destruction that the fire might incur in the case of propagates to other adjacent buildings. So evacuation is like mahibay naman tadaan sa kung una ang evacuation kaya balhinan na ng isa ka pamilya or isa ka mga tao para kunhain safety sila tanan mga ilang mga gamit dito ibalhin idayhan dito ang evacuation. So let's proceed to the entry. Entry, this is the process of accessing the burning structures. Entry may be done in a forcible manner purposes of conducting forcible entry. Just to provide access for the firefighters equipment for fire extinguishment. So dapat sa entry daan dyan na daan mga kompleto na nagamit like sound fire one extinguisher doon sa isa ka company dapat dyan oy isa ka fire extinguisher kay lisod sa magtawag pa ka ng isa ka bumbero ay isa ka firefighters kun daan na sa iman fire extinguisher pwede na di mo mabugnan or mapayo nga isa ka sunog kung sa imo fire extinguisher, and to provide rescue and to aid in ventilation. Number 5 is the rescue. This is the operation of removing extricate those saving people and the other livestock from the burning building and the other involved properties, conveying them to a secure place. So ang rescue ko is nagtabang siya sa isa ka tao or nag-saving people and other livestock from the burning building and properties. So may kalayaan lang sa evacuation sa rescue. Pag mo lang ma'am ng kalayaan sa rescue sa evacuation. Ang evacuation is isa ka area na tagbalhinan ng mga tao sa mga gamit para magligay sa sunog. Tapos ang rescue is ang nagtabang sa mga tao na para maligay sa sunog. And next is the exposure, also called cover exposure. This is the activity of securing other buildings nearby burning structures in order to prevent the fire from extending to another building. So ini ko no cover exposure. So it means na imo bugtuon ng imo bas-on ng isa ka area para dili na mo adapt ang sunog. So like for example, tapad ang ibayay ma'am. Tapos ini nabayay na sunog. So dapat sa nabayay isa dito nimo bas-on na daan nimo or imo na daan bas-on lagi para dili na mo adapt ang isa ka sunog dyan na bayay para dili na madamay or ano ka. And next is the confinement. This is the activity of restricting the fire at a place or room where it started, the process of preventing fire from extending from another section of another section of the involved building. And 8, ventilation. This is the operation of purposely conducted to the place toxic gases. It includes the process of displacing the heated atmosphere within the involved building with the normal air from outside atmosphere. 9. Salvage. The activity of protecting the properties from preventable damage other than the fire. The steps are remove the material outside the burning area, and B. Protecting for cover the materials by using tarpaulins, cotton bands, treating with waterproofing. Salvage is protecting this property. Number 10 is extinguishment. This is the process of putting out the main body of fire using the 4 general methods of fire extinguishment. So let's proceed to the overhaul. The overhaul, this is the complete and detailed check of the structure and all materials therein to eliminate conditions that may cause reflash. Involves complete extinguishment of sparks or smoldering glowing substance embers, prevents possibilities of reignition or rekindling. And there is the last one, the fire scene investigation. This is the final stage of the fire suppression activity. It is inquiry conducted to know or determine the origin of cause of fire. So, pagkatapos ng sunog, dahil mga mag-investigate kung hay nag-cause ang sunog or hay nagsugod ang sunog or dahil iba'y nagsunog. So, dire na mahibayaan sa pag-investigate ng fire scene investigation. And let's proceed to the object of fire fighting operation and activities. After an alarm is received, number 1 is fighting or building fire. After an alarm is received, firefighters hurry to the fire. So dapat ang firefighters before pagtawag sa nangasat ng tabang mga 5 minutes dapat daon na ang firefighters isa ka firefighters para matabangan ay para maagapan na zon ang isa ka sunog. Next is the officer in command quickly size up the situation that directs the firefighters into action. So dapat ikaw na officer dapat ikaw quickly ikaw ang magkuan sa imo, ikaw ang mag-lead sa ilan dapat mag-ilis na dalan para maka-ilis na o maka-prepare para magtabang sa nasunugan. So 3, there's first and most important task in the rescue people who may be trapped in the building. Most important in the rescue people who may be trapped. So as a firefighters, so dapat example dahil nasunog tapos ay tawo sa ilayom di makagawas. So ikaw na firefighter sa hibayo ko sa himuon ang training naman doon dapat ay kuan animo doon himuon gibali ikaw ang magtabang ay ikaw ang sudlon nimo ang isa ka sunog kay man imo skill or experience na luwas dan zon. So dapat hibayag ka unong pagluwas na trap na isa ka tawo sa isa ka building na nasunog. So So ladder operators search for anyone who may be trapped in something buildings. They use ladders to rescue the people through windows. However, the ladders of most truck extend up to the only about 8 stories. So, di ba kita man ta sa isa ka boom ay fire truck na sa ladders. So, kuang ko no na search anyone may be to be trapped. So, ikaw na firefighter mo sakay ka dito sa ay mo dayag ka dito sa ladders na sa taas naman doon para mag-search sa isa ka building o sa isa ka building na dako kung nakita mo na dyan bay na trap or ano ba. So next is firefighters use stairs or elevators to get people trapped in floors above the reach of the ladders. So dahil two types of ladders at elevator ladders at kung magduyog-duyog larga ra duyog pataas tapos sa manual then manual ladders. Any kind of firefighter use stairs or elevators to get the people trapped on floors above the reach of the ladders. So dito na sa top reach of the ladder pinakataas na. So next is the fighting a forest fire. So many grassland forest fires occur in areas that are hard to reach at far from source of water. Local fire brigades have trucks that carry water and travel over rough land. So nahibayo na mga sudta sa isa ka forest area, hamog kasi patay na dahon. Dili kasi malikasan ang isa ka sunog sa isa ka forest or doon bukid kay like for example ting suga. Tapos hamukir dahon nito mga maya sige sughan. Tapos ni na mayahas na gazod nasunog na napasuan na nasunog ani sa kadahon. So madamay gazod ang forest. So dili malikasan na mag-cause ng fire mag-cause ng fire sa isa ka bukid o isa ka forest. Normal na kibali sa normal. Emergency rescue operation. Our firefighting organization have the rescue companies to handle the non-fire emergencies. For example, rescue workers may be called for free people trapped under the wreckage of the fallen bridge. So, isa ka firefighters dili ra mo lang na fire right awangan. There's some other na mga other na rescue like for example sa mga lalunghos or sa na taglaong dire na rescue na call free people trapped under the wreckage of fallen building or in doon hapit na mahuyog doon gingit na patabangan ng firefighters doon kaya bayan man sila kung unhon. And let's proceed. Emergency medical operation. Many firefighters provide medical care in non-fire emergencies before the patient is taken to the hospital. So, dili sa mo lang na ang firefighters sa kuno sa ilang medical operations. So, sa ibang firefighters na sila ang mag-provide ng medical cares in non-fire emergencies before the patient is taken to the hospital. So, adisar dayon ng firefighters sa hospital tag tambay or sa medical care ng isa ka victim. And next is fire prevention and fire safety. To help prevent fires and reduce fire losses, local firefighting service inspect public buildings. They also teach people about safety. Many have separate division that handles fire prevention and fire safety programs. So, how many dyan ang once ako ng firefighters sa karan nakita mo nito nakalagay ito high school pata Di ba zaoy program nan isa ka organization ng fire ng BFP na mag-conduct sila ng ano ba dyan? Drilling. So, like yung drilling sa eskwelahan, drilling. So, ang minitaglaong na to help prevent fires and reduce fire losses local firefighting, para ma-prevent nato or para mahibayo ta o una ito himuon na magkuan like sa maglinog di ba, kung tudloan ta nila di bay naman ta so, cover and hold. So amo sa nila sabi mo ng isa ka fire organization or BFP. Number 6 is to proceed building inspection in consonance with the provision of the Building Code PD 1185. The Fire Bureau conduct inspection building as churches, stores, schools, and hospitals. The code of specifies certain requirements like portable fire extinguisher, a certain number of exits, and the other fire safety features in a public building. So, sa isa ang kuan mag-conduct sila ng isa ka public building inspection, like for example zaon sa eskwelahan dapat gazud zaoy fire extinguisher kompleto sila, tapos sa fire exit kay like kuang na dahil masunog, example like masunog sa eskwelahan, dapat sa fire exit para dili magdasok sa isa ka dayan or para dali ra makadaog sa isa ka taas na building, and dapat say fire extinguisher. What is a sprinkler system? A sprinkler system consists of a network of pipes installed throughout a building. The pipes carry water to nozzles in the ceiling. The head from the fire causes the nozzles directly above the fire to open a spray water. Spray water na siya, like amora siya ng fire extinguisher. The Public Education Program. Firefighting service work with other local agencies to teach people how to prevent fires, what to do during a fire. The firefighting officials serve as an instructor of the advisory safety courses in a local in school. So, once ako ang firefighters is nag-conduct sila ng public education program para tudluan or naman parehas naman sa kuan na sa sa emergency dili pa to sa fire prevention, fire safety. Ang mga tudloan gyap sila na unhong paglikay ng isa ka sunog or unhong pagpayong sa isa ka sunog, amoy sa pagkuan sa may purpose ng public education program. What is smoke? The smoke detector is smoke detector. What is the smoke detector? Smoke detector is a device that sounds an alarm. Small amount of smoke enters the sensor. Smoke detectors attached in the ceiling wall of several areas of home. Fire protection experts recommend at least a detector for each floor of residence. So ang smoke detector is like makita nato sa isa ka hotel or hotel, makita natin sa fire smoke doon mo agas mo agas na sa pagkalit pag say ma-adapt na isa ka smoke like ito sa sa tandag sa nagsigarilyo sa isa ka hotel, nagsigarilyo siya sa hotel. So, yan dyan mahibayo na dyan fire detector. So pag sigarilyo ni dyan anong aso ni kadto sa fire detector, di pag nito ni awas pagkalit ang isa ka iton lagi ang iton smoke detector ni awas pagkalit kay tungod dai sa smoke na o aso na detect, so automatic ano siya mo awas. So that's the all, ma'am. Thank you and good morning.